chili. Makes it more flavorful. We got the Pepes tahu. Rub together. Oh, it smells so good. Get some nasi putih. This is a new experience. Together, extra sambal. So we're back here after an amazing cooking class a couple weeks ago. We've decided to come back because the first cooking class, it was a little bit basic, right? We made amazing tasting nasi goreng and bihun goreng. So yummy, the rujak as well. But I was like, what can we do that would be more advanced? What can we do that is more sophisticated, really push our Indonesian cooking skills? So we're back here to make some new Indonesian food. And today, I just showed up and she has such an amazing menu all prepared that looks so good. Tell us what we'll be making today.
Okay, so today we're going to make what we call Bancakan, the traditional Sundanese. I'm from West Java, which is you eat on banana leaf, different type of proteins and vegetable and rice. So today we're going to cook grilled chicken,
Okay.
ayam bakar.
Ayam bakar, I love it.
Pepes tahu, it's scrambled tofu wrapped in banana leaf.
Okay.
We're going to steam it and salted egg.
Salted egg.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
I've seen
it's
this.
duck eggs, salted egg.
Salted duck eggs.
Yeah. And we're gonna have tempeh goreng. I'm sure you
Ooh.
know tempeh already.
Oh my god, so much food. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten since last night, so this is good.
And this is ikan asin.
So,
It's dried fish.
Dried fish.
It's
Cool.
going to be smelly when you fry it down, but it's delicious.
Ikan
And we have
asin.
lalapan, which is
Oh, yeah.
vegetable salad.
So here you have the Lemongrass Cooking School where you show everyday local people in South Africa how to make Indonesian food, which is really cool. If you haven't already, please follow all of her socials, which will be all right here. She's always going live too. So if you like cooking videos, definitely check out her lives. They're really fun. Actually, we're live right now. So if you're watching this, you could have seen it earlier. Time to get serious. Let's put on the aprons. I'm going to be cooking the best Indonesian food you've ever had today. Super authentic. And I can't actually wait to go to the region. I think in the coming months, we will actually take a visit there and it'll be nice to already be familiar with all of the food. Alright, so let's get this going. Let's make the tofu first. That sounds good. We have bone marrow, we have tofu, we have chili peppers, onions, green onion, lemongrass, galangao.
So this is very aromatic dish because you got all aromatic stuff here. And then this is, we call it kemangi, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, okay.
Right. Basically, we're just going to assemble it
Okay.
with banana leaves.
But it's hard to get here in
Yes.
Cape Town.
No, not here. So actually, I grow it here.
So we have the tofu, salt and pepper so far.
Yeah. If you really like chilies,
I love chili.
would you like to do that? Then
Let's
it's
do
gonna
it.
be pink. Yeah.
Let's do it. Why not?
So we can
All the
put
chilies
some.
ground, and this is gonna be very spicy.
So there we go. This is the beef bone marrow. This is just like a delicacy. Galangao. Okay. And some lemongrass, spring onion.
Washed my hands just now, and I'm really excited. So I got the tofu.
Yeah.
Yes. Chili. Makes it more flavorful.
Yeah, definitely.
Salt and pepper. One more chili in here. Make it extra pedas. And it's gonna be almost pink in color now. Cool. Okay, I think this is good. Wow, I'm cooking. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of everything in. Grass, onion, galangao. This is great, guys. I'm learning so much about cooking Indonesian food or cooking food in general, because normally, actually, when I'm in Bali, I have Ricky, the most amazing chef in Bali, so he stays in our villa every day. He makes us food. He makes a lot of Indonesian dishes for me and my whole team, which is fun, but I'm really enjoying cooking it, so this is a whole nother perspective. We got the Pepes tahu. They look like this. We have 3 of them. We're putting them in the steamer. It's very hot. We're gonna steam these and we're gonna continue preparing our overall
20 minutes,
feast.
yes.
20 minutes in the steamer.
So now we're just going to prepare the lalap, basic tomatoes, cucumber, labu.
Labu,
It's
yum.
walu in Sundanese.
So wayu? What do you say in Sundanese?
Walu.
Walu.
And then this one's kacang panjang.
I've had this one. I like
Black
it.
beans.
Yeah, I like this one.
We're just going to steam the walu, right?
Okay.
And the others is just raw. part here. We call it getah.
Getah. Look at the steam already happening. So it's been in there like another, what, 10 minutes or
10
so?
10 minutes, yes.
And it's looking quite nice. Okay, so I will put the last one. Alright, so steamer's going. We're peeling the cucumber now.
Okay. Here we go.
Master Chef versus Tim.
Okay.
So we'll put a couple of these in here.
Yeah.
Alright.
So actually one more item that we're gonna add in this is the surawung, the kemangi. But we have to cut from the tree.
Really?
Yeah.
So right now we're still in Echi's backyard, and she actually grows banana leaf plant. Like this plant is grown right here. So, because a lot of the things you cannot get in South Africa. We're gonna go cut some for this dish right now. I've definitely eaten this in Indonesia, but I obviously haven't cut my own leaf. It looks pretty simple though. You probably just chop it off. Wow, it's so fresh. You can smell this whole plant. I wish you guys could smell it on YouTube. It's like farm to table basically right now. I'll be the assistant chopper today. I never thought I'd be cutting banana leaves in South Africa and making Indonesian cuisine with a world famous chef here. This is very, very healthy, and it looks like it's going to taste very nice in the feast we're preparing today.
So this is basically cooked.
This is what they look like.
Yeah, and we're going to serve it with the shell.
This is interesting. What do you call this dish?
Telur asin.
Telur asin. Okay, we're going to try that, I guess.
So this is the sambal. In Sunda, in Bandung, it's definitely have to have lalap and you have to have the sambal. Alright, we're going to fry the kerupuk. It's very typical Indonesian. We have to have kerupuk for any
Everything.
meal.
Yeah, it's always there. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, let's do it.
Just
So
be
just
careful.
drop them in slowly. All right.
In
Okay,
water,
hot oil.
hot oil.
Oh yeah, it just goes up so quick. Almost instantly. Wow, that was quick, easy. I didn't realize that you can even make your own kerupuk.
So now we're going to fry the tempeh. The tempeh has been marinated with water, salt, pepper, garlic, turmeric, and coriander powder. So I've marinated last night.
It smells good. Oh, the whole night it's been marinating. Well, it's very hot.
Woo. You're running away there.
Running away a little bit. These aprons from the cooking school are really coming in handy now with this hot oil flying at me. If you could just smell the garlic, you could smell the turmeric.
And the coriander powder.
It's so good. This is the dried fish.
Yeah.
That is not a nice smell.
Not really.
What are you doing? Very fragrant. Yeah, like a bad drink. Grilling up some Ayam bakar, and it is a little bit cooked already. We're gonna barbecue it now.
Yeah.
Right here.
So this one is cooked with onion, red onion, all the aromatic, lemongrass and galangal, all those things, and ketchup manis. This is the marinating that we're going to also pass. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken Ayam right onto the grill. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Cooking is fun when you have the world famous chef with you. Alright, so the very last things are cooking right now. This video is a little bit different because there's just me here today. Katrin had to run back to Germany for some work problems at the very last minute, so we thought she'd be here, but she's not today. We're gonna go ahead and try and eat this food now. And we're gonna do something that obviously, if you're cooking traditional Indonesian food, you should eat the Indonesian traditional way, which is with your hands. So we're gonna wash our hands, of course, and then we're gonna go ahead and eat this amazing meal that we've just prepared. I've actually somehow, even living in Indonesia so long, I actually haven't done the full-blown experience of eating with your hands, so I'm very excited to try this. So right now we're setting up the feast. It is looking good, guys.
Ikan asin will be on top.
This is amazing.
The labu here, kacang panjang, tomatoes, cucumber.
Wow, it's a big meal. We're cleaning off my area, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up my part of the Bancakan. We'll get some nasi putih. Pepes taco here. Telur. So I'm gonna take this one. I'll put a bit of this on top of the rice.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part. Got a big scoop, 2 scoops for the sambal.
So are we gonna dig in?
Yeah, let's do it. So you put your fingers here.
So this is not soup.
I know that. I know it's not soup.
You
That
know
much
that.
I do know.
But you didn't know when you first came to
I wasn't
Indonesia.
sure. No, yeah, I didn't. I only know from the Crazy Rich Asians
Oh
movie.
yeah, so like, thank you.
No, you don't do that. No. Okay, selamat makan.
We're gonna open the pepes and then
Okay. Oh, wow. So it looks like this when you open it. Okay, interesting. Yeah, it's about 3 o'clock and we both haven't really eaten anything today, so we're very hungry. I'm gonna take a little bit of this telur, some rice, nasi, and the tofu here. Wow. This is a new experience. It feels like something you shouldn't do, but actually I'm sure it's gonna taste good. And then some sambal.
Yeah.
Yeah, sambal, of course.
In your one. Well, dip the lalap into the sambal.
And just mix it all up. It's so nice.
The rule is no rules.
Okay. Well, definitely some of the best I ever had. And it really helps. Just get in there and mix it with your fingers. Okay, so we're gonna take the ayam bakar, the nasi putih, sambal together. Oh wow. It tastes so fresh though. When you make it at home, really, really nice. I've been missing this from Indonesia so much. This is really good. This chicken is perfectly cooked. Wow. Sambal is perfect as well. There's so many things in here that you wouldn't think go together, but when you mix it, it's perfect. You just put everything together, extra sambal. It's incredible. Everything here is just fantastic. I can't wait to come back to Indonesia and have this every day. Because this has been a treat for the last 8 months being stuck outside of Indonesia. I like learning about the new foods. For our audience, comment down below, where do you live? That's what I want to know. Some people have reached out to me individually on Instagram DM or something like that, so I already know where you live. But where are you watching from? Because there's so many people in some places in Indonesia. I don't know where everybody is. So if you could comment and tell me where you are, maybe we can come to your area and try some food, or you can show me a little bit about like your area, because we're really open and flexible and we're still making the plan. So by the time you see this, I will probably be back in Indonesia or very close to it. Hopefully, if all goes according to plan, and we will be getting to plan our journeys around Indonesia. So just let me know where you are and we'll go check it out. So in Sudanese culture, how many people? What's the biggest one you can have?
For this,
Yeah.
we don't actually eat on the table. We eat on the floor. So as many as people that can fit, we eat on the floor. We just put the bedding, a sheet or something, and then you put like big banana leaves like on top of each other.
So you can have 20 people, no problem.
No problem.
Wow. This is so tasty. Enough. So what is traditionally anything else that we left out that we didn't cook today that would maybe be on here normally?
We cook everything except maybe sayur asam. Sayur asam is like vegetable soup. It's like a soup that you can put it here. It's also Sundanese type of soup. Actually the same with labu and with kacang panjang, with tamarind. So that's the only thing that we use, I think. Or you can also have fried fish, fried tilapia, fried gurami. Have you tried Pepes?
I heard it smells bad.
Sticky beans, yeah. We can get it, yeah.
Well, you'll probably bring back a lot of things from Indonesia when you go, right?
Yes. Then I just put it in the freezer, and then whenever I need it, I just...
It's still super windy here in Cape Town, but it's a beautiful day to eat some nice food with your friends. I wish we had more people here. Oh, so you just roll up your leaf when it's
then go.
done?
I don't have to wash the dishes.
Oh, wow. So smart. And we have some dessert here now that you've made with these very fancy forks. That was so incredibly delicious, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Refreshing.
Very refreshing.
So this one is actually steamed.
Steamed.
Yeah. Traditional Indonesian dessert is basically or steamed or fried.
Not baked. Yeah, because you guys
Not
don't have
baked
ovens.
oven.
To find a villa with an oven in Bali is
No.
almost impossible. Okay, all right, so we're gonna try this. Nothing like a nice dessert to end such an incredible meal. Let's break it open and see. It's very moist inside. Nice and spongy. It's great. Let's try it. It tastes like an Indonesian sponge cake. Chocolate, so nice.
So in Indonesia, especially in Jawa and in Bandung, when you go to a restaurant, they always have banana and orange or fruits on the table because that's basically dessert. Dessert for us also fruits. Like I remember my mom didn't really eat the dessert, but they take fruits after the meal.
That's why you'll always see this on the table. I see. Very cool. Learning so much about Indonesian culture, somehow being in South Africa. Just as much, if not more, than actually being there. It's such a unique and really cool culture. We're gonna finish up these desserts now. So chocolatey and so good. Ooh, I am full and young, but I'm happy. Very, very happy. Thank you so much for having me back to your house. This place and this food was so good, guys. So good. I will never forget it. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have some more videos coming up of Indonesian food, travels around Indonesia, and travels around the whole world. Thanks so much again, and be sure to follow us. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and also follow Lemongrass Cooking School, the best cooking school in South Africa, maybe the world. Awesome, yes. So thank you to South Africa, thank you to Indonesia, and we'll catch you again in the next video.
Dadah!
Dadah!